Alright, just pulled into the field. We're in a really low cut bean field here, so cover's gonna be tough. We scouted this last night. We found a little divot here with a little bit of standing grass in it. So this is where we're gonna put the panel blind here. We're gonna get it stubbled in. Hopefully we can make it happen here in the bean field. Time to unload these decoys. Finally all set up here. It's looking good. We finally got some good wind. These birds should want to cup right in our face. We're set up for these south winds here. We're actually hearing all kinds of geese in the area. A lot of good roost spots in this area. Hopefully ends up being a good hunt here. What'd you do with the decoys?
Pretty much got 2 dozen decoys out. Got 2 separate groups. Kind of made the traditional U. And yeah, pretty much basic.
Good, good. So yeah, we're hunting in a low-cut bean field here. This is pretty much a first for us. I've never really killed any geese in a bean field, but we saw a bunch coming to it last night. So I think it's going to be a good hunt. As you can see in the back, we got the tangle-free panel blind set up good. We found just a little low enough spot for them to get this blind covered in. Hopefully it works out and get some good shots. Stay tuned. I think this is going to be good. Go-to bullets right here. It's finally shooting hours. Time to load up. Time to whack and stack. I got 3. Woo-hoo! Went 3 for 3, buddy.
I got 2.
Yeah, good shooting, bud. 3 for 3, 2 for 3. Woo! Flock worked right in. Great start to this hunt. Take him. Got my limit.
Woo! Got our limit, bro.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah! Woo! Alright, let's go get these birds and let them work.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Limit, baby. That was our second time shooting and we just got a limit. They're landing into the wind.
Well, I'd say the tangle-free panel blind is definitely doing good. We're set up in the middle of a low-cut Beanfield. We got our limit. We still got birds landing out here. This is an awesome hunt here. Well, as you can see, we had one heck of a hunt this morning. This was actually our first time ever hunting in a low-cut Beanfield like this. We actually did a scout hunt last night, figured out they were all coming to this field, drove down the road, saw about 100 to 150 birds in this field, went and got permission, actually scouted it last night, figured out where we wanted to put our blind, where we wanted to set decoys. So we came out this morning, got everything set up, it went perfect. As you can see in the back, we had the blind set up right in this low spot. Tegan stubbled it in excellent this morning, spent a bunch of time stubbling in, and it showed. These birds swirled, cupped right in our face. I mean, busted out. We both went 3 for 3. Two shootings and we were limited out, and then we had birds just landing in the spread. Just an amazing hunt. As you can see from the bullets here, we both only shot 6 times and got our limit. Just a textbook hunt here, and we're gonna get things packed up, and definitely a hunt to remember. Don't forget to subscribe and join our Facebook group page, Adrenaline Bloodline. Thanks for watching. I love it when a hunt comes together.